Hey everybody, Chef RedBeard here with Dherbs Kitchen. I have another amazing recipe for you guys. This is a summer salad. Today we're going to be using cucumbers, avocados, and mango. This is what I like to call a dump and stir. You can pre-prep this ahead of time simply just by dicing some mangoes, slicing some nice cucumbers, and again peeling and dicing an avocado. So for this salad, we're going to take some mango that has been peeled and diced, and some sliced English cucumbers. These have the skin still on them. You don't have to peel them. It's delicious and refreshing. Have here some pink Himalayan salt. I'll season that a little bit. Avocado into a bowl. Now I know what you're thinking. Is this a salsa? Is this a dip? This is a salad. Not all salads need salad dressing, but this particular salad does have a salad dressing. It is very easy to make. We have some extra virgin olive oil, some agave, and that goes, and some fresh squeezed lime juice. No need to worry about making emulsification. This is going to coat the vegetables very simply and very easily. And I'm building it in to add layers of flavor. So I'll coat this. Add a little bit more mango. Add some more cucumber. Add the rest of this avocado. A little bit more salt. And a little bit more dressing. And you can let this sit for about 5 to 10 minutes here for the flavors to meld, or you can eat this right away by lastly adding some nice herbal garnish, which is some torn mint and torn cilantro. I don't advise tossing this with the salad before letting it sit to rest or eating immediately, as the vegetables, the herbs, will tend to wilt and get mush. So you want to add this as the last step to give a fresh pop of brightness and green. So here you are, here's your salad. This is our summer cucumber, avocado, and mango salad. If you like this recipe and would like to see more, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Click the little bell icon in the corner and follow us at www.dherbs.com/chefredbeard.